A Milwaukee Bucks player made news last week for this viral video of his arrest after parking in 2 handicap spots. The month of May happens to be Mobility Awareness Month, and so we wanted to take a closer look at one issue in particular that troubles people in handicap accessible vehicles. Our TV6's Lauren Casey has the findings from a recent study that may surprise you.
All the time. It happens all the time.
Matt Ritter is the general manager for Superior Van and Mobility in Fishers. They sell these vehicles with ramps that allow people with disabilities to be more independent. And he sees people parking incorrectly in handicapped spots a lot.
When you park in those spots, it puts people in a real bind, especially those that have already parked there when they come out to their vehicle and they can't get in.
For him, it's personal. Ritter was in the Marine Corps when an automobile crash introduced him to the mobility industry. He shows us how much space it takes for him to get in and out of a vehicle on his own. And now Superior Van and Mobility is teaming up with another company to raise awareness about handicap parking. So pretty much all of us know what these spots are for, but according to a new survey, more than 40% of people don't know what these diagonal lines are here for. A local company is working to change that. The survey done by a company called Ability showed 42% of people did not know that those lines are for space to deploy a wheelchair ramp. We created a demonstration here at the dealership to show what Ritter sees all the time.
With this car illegally parked, I obviously can't get into the vehicle because there's not enough room for the ramp to come out and then for myself to be able to go in and up the ramp.
Ritter says this Save My Spot campaign is all about education. They're passing out these stickers to put on windows and these tags to educate the public.
I guess those that are educated on it, it's a reminder that maybe we shouldn't park here, and those that aren't and don't know what the spot's for, it kind of gives them a little education on what it is.
So whether you are just running in real quick to grab something, or you can't find a spot, or you throw your shopping cart on those diagonal lines because it's easier for you, stop and think and save a spot. Lauren Casey, RTV6.
If you want to join in the Save My Spot campaign or use a handicap accessible van and you want a sticker, you can get them at the Superior Van and Mobility dealership in Fishers.